Fixture supply. Fixture supply, a water supply pipe connecting the fixture with the fixture's branch. Fixture drain. Fixture drain, the drain pipe from the top of the fixture to the junction of the drain with any other drain pipe. 28.3 liter per minute. 28.3 liter per minute. A 1 fixtures unit is equivalent to the rate of flow. Fixtures unit. Fixtures unit is an arbitrary quantity in terms of which the load producing effect or water requirement on the plumbing system of different kind of the plumbing fixtures are expressed in some arbitrarily chosen scale. 1 fixture unit is equivalent to the rate of flow at 28.3 liter per minute or 1 cubic feet per minute. Flood level. Flood level, the level in a fixtures at which water begins to overflow over the top or rim of the fixtures. Flood level, the level in a fixtures at which water begins to overflow over the top or rim of the fixtures. Flooded. Flooded, a fixtures is flooded when the liquid therein rises to the flood level rim. Floor area. Floor area, the area included within surrounding walls of the building or portions thereof, exclusive of vent shafts and courts. Flush tank. Flush tank, a tank located above or integral with the water closet, urinal or similar fixtures for the flushing or removing excrements in the fixtures. Flood level rim. Flood level rim is the top edge of receptacle from where water overflows. Flushometer tank. Flushometer tank is integrated within an air accumulator vessels, which is designed to discharge a predetermined quantity of water into the fixtures for flushing purposes. Flushometer bulb. Flushometer bulb, a device which discharges a predetermined quantity of water into the fixtures for the flushing purposes, and it is actuated by direct water pressure. Flush bulb. Flush bulb is device located at the bottom of the tank for the purpose of the flushing water closet and similar fixtures. Gate bulb. Gate bulb, a bulb in which the flow of water is cut off by means of circular disc fitted against machined smooth pieces at the right angles to the directions of the flow. The disc is raised or lowered by means of threaded stem connected to the handle of the bulb. The opening in the bulb is usually as large as the full bore of the pipe. Gooseneck. Gooseneck, a return bend of small size pipe, one end of which is about 30 cm long and the other end is about 7.5 cm long. It is commonly used as the faucet for the pantry sink. Also, the term means the flexible tubing connections between the service pipe and a water main. Globe bulb. Globe bulb, a bulb in which the flow of fluid is cut off by means of circular disc that fits over and against the horizontal bulb seat. The movement of the plane of disc is parallel to the normal directions of flow of water through the orifice, resulting to the tortuous passage which offer a high pressure loss. Grade. Grade, the slope or pole of the line of pipe, with reference to horizontal plane. In the drainage, it is usually expressed as the pole as the pole in centimeters per the meter or percentage slope of pipe. Grease trap. Grease trap, a device designed to retain grease from 1 to a maximum of 4 fixtures. Grease interceptor. Grease interceptor, an interceptor of at least 3 cubic meters capacity to serve one or more fixtures at which is remotely located. Group bend. Group bend, a branch bend that perform its function for the two or more traps. Hangers. Hangers, see supports. Groundwater. Groundwater, the water that stands in or passes through the ground. High hazard. High hazard, see contamination. Horizontal branch. Horizontal branch is the drain pipe extending laterally from the soil or waste stack or the building drain, with or without vertical sections of branches, which receive the discharge from one or more fixtures drain and conduct it to the soil or waste stack or to the building drain. Height of building. Height of building, the vertical distance from the grade line to the highest point of the coping of the flat roof or to the top line of mansard roof or to the average height of the highest gable of the pitch or hip roof. Horizontal pipe. Horizontal pipe is any pipe or fitting installed in horizontal position or which forms an angle of not more than 45 degrees with the horizontal plane. House sewer. House sewer is the part of the plumbing system extending from the house drain at the point of 0.60 meters from the outside face of the foundation wall of the building to the junction with the street sewer or to any point of discharge at conveying the drainage of one building site. House drain. House drain is that part of the lowest horizontal piping of plumbing system which receive the discharges from soil, waste, and other drainage pipes inside of the building and conveys it to the house sewer outside of the building. House storm sewer. House storm sewer is the pipeline from the building to the public or street storm drainage system. Indirect waste pipe is the pipe that does not connect directly with the drainage system but conveys liquid waste by discharging into the plumbing fixtures, interceptor, or receptacle directly connected to the drainage system. Individual bend. Individual bend is the pipe installed to bend a fixture strap and which connect with the bend system above the fixture serve or terminates in the open air. Hubless pipes. Hubless pipes are cast iron soil pipes with the plain end connected together with bolted stainless steel bands and neoprene gaskets. IPS. IPS means iron pipe size. Industrial waste. Industrial waste, any and all liquid or waterborne waste from industrial or commercial processes except domestic seaweeds. Conditions where the word insanitary shall apply include the following. Any trap which does not maintain a proper trap seal. Any opening in the drainage system except where loophole which is not provided with an approved water seal trap. any plumbing fixtures or other waste discharging receptacle or device not supplied with the water sufficient to flush it and maintain it in clean conditions. Any defective fixture strap, pipe, or fitting. Any trap except were exempted in this code, directly connected to the drainage system, the seal of which is not protected against siphonage and back pressure by a bent pipe. Any connection, cross-connection, constructions, or conditions, temporary or permanent, which permit or make possible by any means whatsoever for any unapproved foreign matter to enter into the water distribution system used for domestic purposes, and the foregoing enumeration of conditions which the term insanitary apply shall not preclude the application of the term to conditions that are in fact insanitary. Insanitary. Insanitary, a condition contrary to sanitary principles or injurious to health. Invert. Invert, the lowest portion of the interior part of any pipe or conduit that is not vertical. Interceptor clarifier. Interceptor clarifier is a device designed and installed to separate and retain deleterious, hazardous, or undesirable matters from the normal waste and permits normal seaweeds or liquid waste to discharge into the disposal terminal by gravity. Labeled. Labeled. Equipment or materials bearing a label of listing agency. All labels shall be embossed, stamped, or indelibly marked with sticker, glued on the finished product indicating the weight, specification, and logo of the manufacturer. Jurisdiction. Jurisdiction. The administrative authority under the Department of Health, the Department of Public Works and Highway, the Department of Interior and Local Government, the City Mayor of Chartered Cities, Environmental Management Bureau or the DNR, and other government entities that regulate the practice of registered and licensed master plumber. Latrine. Latrine, a water closet consisting of continuous trough containing water. The trough extends under two or more adjacent seats, prohibited by health authorities for permanent installation. Lateral. Lateral in the plumbing, a secondary pipeline. In sewerage, a common sewer to which is no other branch sewer is connected. It receives sewage from building sewer service connections only. Leaching cesspool. Leaching cesspool, a cesspool that is not watertight. Leader. Leader, see conductor, a pipe connected from the building gutter to the downspout or conductor. Length of pipe. Length of pipe is measured along its center line. Lavatory. Lavatory, a fixture designed for the washing of the hands or face, sometimes called a wash basin. Listed. Listed, equipment or materials included in the list, published by the listing agencies that maintain periodic inspection on current production of listed equipment or material and whose listing state either that the equipment or materials complied with approved standard or have been tested and found suitable for use in specified manners. Listing agency. Listing agency is an agency accepted by administrative authority in the business of listing or labeling and which maintain a periodic inspection program on the current production of listed models and makes available a published report of such listing where specific information is included that the product has been tested against approved standard and found safe for use in a specific manner. Liquid waste. Liquid waste is the discharge from any fixtures, appliances, or appurtenance in connection with the plumbing system which does not receive fecal matter. Local vent. Local vent, a pipe or shaft to convey foul air from the plumbing fixtures or a room to the outer air. Loop or circuit vent. Loop or circuit vent, a vertical vent connection on horizontal soil or waste pipe runs at the point downstream of the last fixture's connections and turning to a horizontal line above the highest overflow level of the highest fixtures connected therein. The terminus connected to the stack vent in the case of loop venting or to the vent stack nearby in the case of circuit venting. Lot. Lot. A single area of land legally recorded or validated by other means, acceptable to the administrative authority where the building is situated or site of any work regulated by this code, together with the yard, court, and unoccupied space legally required for the building or works, and which is owned by on the lawful possessions of the owner of the building or works. Main. Main. Any system or continuous piping which is the principal artery of the system where the branches are connected. Main sewer. Main sewer. See public sewer. Main vent. Main vent. The principal artery of the venting system to which vent branches are connected. Manhole. Manhole. A large opening in the sewer line or part of the plumbing system constructed with sufficient size for the man to gain access therein for the maintenance purposes and facility for the changes of line and or grade of pipeline. Low hazard. Low hazard. See pollution. Master plumber. Master plumber, a person technically and legally qualified and the license to practice the provisions of master plumbing without limitation in accordance with Republic Act 1378, having passed the examination conducted by the Professional Regulation Commission, has received a certificate of registration from the Board of Master Plumbing and possess the current license to practice. Mobile home part sewer. Mobile home part sewer, that part of horizontal piping of sanitary drainage system which measure 0.60 meters downstream from the last mobile home site and conveys sewage to the public sewer, private sewer, individual sewage disposal system, or other point of disposal. May. May. The word may is permissive term. Nuisance. Nuisance include but it's not limited to the following. Any public nuisance known in common law or in equity jurisprudence whenever any work regulated by this code is dangerous to the human life or detrimental to health and property and inadequate or unsafe water supply and or sewage disposal system. OCOM. OCOM. Hemp or old hemp rope soaked in oil or tar to make it waterproof. NAMPAP NAMPAP National Master Plumber Associations of the Philippines. Offset Offset in the line of piping is combination of elbow or bends, which bring one section of the pipe out of line but into a line parallel with original section.